We have Pika. So Pika is an AI image generator that you can use for free. You get 100 free images every day, and there's no watermarks on the images. The best part about Pika is that it has a lot of customization settings. You can change the aspect ratio of your image. You can add blur, you can add different filters like the oil painting filter, pencil sketch, and even turn your image into a meme. And now you can also use your own photo, and then let's just say, make this person a Marvel superhero. And you can even choose the background for that. You can also upload your own background and then use that as the background for your image. Now, Pika also has some templates, and these templates are really cool because they have different styles like cyberpunk, fantasy, horror. And you can use these templates to generate multiple images in a single click. So that's basically how you use Pika. Subscribe for more updates.